Hi, my name is Thea and I'm a life coach, and I help introverts solve their big problems in their life by focusing on their strengths. So today I want to talk about the concept of normal, because I often get an email from fellow introverts saying, am I normal? And it's a hard question to answer because I know what it feels like to not feel normal. Before I knew the word introvert, I thought, I was broken, that there was something weird with me. And, finding out that I was normal really helped me. So, on the one hand, I try and answer people who ask me, am I normal? With, you're normal for an introvert, you're normal for a highly sensitive person, you're normal for an empath, or I just try and help them understand themselves better. But there's another way of answering that question, and that is that everyone is normal. We're all unique, and so the most normal thing about it is the fact that we are unique and different. Most people don't really want to hear that, though. That's unfortunate, but I think it's true. Okay, so what if you rephrase the word normal for typical behavior? I don't think we should really be asking about typical behavior either, because typical behavior is a moving target. So what was typical behavior for 5 years old isn't typical behavior for 50 years old. What was normal for 1950s isn't going to be normal behavior for now. If you've listened to Susan Cain's TED Talk, normal behavior for her home, like they would all sit together and read, that wasn't normal behavior for the camp that she went to. So even same person, same age, same time, different locations determine what is normal or not. So normal is constantly moving target. Do you really want to be chasing after a constantly moving target? When you reach that target eventually, you'll be exhausted, and then the target will move again. So what I suggest actually is that you stand still, because when you stand still, the moving target will eventually come in front of you anyway, and you won't have to chase after it. And really, if you stand still, you probably won't care about it anyway, because if you're standing still, if you're confident in your own person, if you want to believe in yourself versus believing this idea of typical behavior, then you won't care about this idea of normal. So really, I think the question isn't am I normal? The question is, where is my tribe? The question is, am I doing good in this world? The question is, can I do better? The question is, am I happy? So there's a lot of different questions that I'd rather get than am I normal? So I'd love to hear your views on this video in the comments below, and I will see you later. Live well. Bye.